Hello, everybody, and welcome to the first episode of Street Smart Investing for the sector on agriculture chemicals. So, as you can see here, I used to work for Lowe's back in 2017, and it was really nice working there. I was there seasonal. So this goes to show you that I was actually in the lawn and garden section. So I do know a little bit about the agriculture and chemicals and lawn and garden section. So basically, for agriculture chemicals, plain and simple, um, this sector is very important because it deals with protecting the grass and the soil and dirt or whatever you want to call it. And it also protects it from, when I say it, I'll explain in a minute. Um, it protects it from insects, fungus, and basically to help it fertilize. Okay, now let's talk about the it part. The it part basically, when it comes to agriculture chemicals, it's basically a pellet or it can be spray that you put on plants or flowers, and most importantly for grassroots and anything that is food related that's grown naturally in the dirt and the soil so you can actually produce food. So basically, these chemicals are sprayed because, again, they need to be protected for the food processing, and basically the main, ingredient for that is usually, from what I see, it's usually nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, not necessarily in that order. So if you go to Lowe's, which is a retail company where you pick up your home improvement supplies and you go to the lawn and garden section. You're gonna see a lot of bags for fertilizers. Fertilizers are basically nutrients for the plants, and then they're all-in-one nutrient. When I mean all-in-one, it's basically, again, it helps support the soil by giving it vitamins and nutrients. Some fertilizers and basically a lot of these bags and these chemicals. Most of them are pellets, some are sprays, but again, they help with supporting the soil, and it helps the grass. Depending on the percentage of the nitrogen or phosphorus or the potassium, it can make it greener or stronger or thicker, healthier. There's just different formulas and percentages as to those chemicals. But again, each percentage gives a different result. So either way, the overall conclusion to this for the agriculture chemicals, I don't want to go on too long about this, but just, basic info so everybody learns something or picks up something new. Or maybe you don't haven't learned anything at all about lawn and garden or agriculture chemicals, which is very important to the food. And basically, you can actually grow your own food. They actually sell plants at Lowe's, even fruits and vegetable plants that you can buy. And basically, you have to treat it right and have it in the same food group. And you cannot have plants or certain vegetables mixed in with different food groups, or else they're going to spoil. And, just like humans, plants work as humans, not all plants get along. They have to be in the same group. And if you do well, you treat it right, it'll do wonders for you and grow food for you from years to come. So I spent 5 minutes on this, and I just want to give a quick lesson. So anyways, that's exactly what it does. Those are agriculture chemicals.